How's it going, guys? Zach Spider here, and today I'm going to show you our new feature that replaced manual tuning called Show Trends. Now, right now we're on, for trends analysis preferences, we're on original with drawing input and islands respected. So what this feature is for is basically for us to add in trend lines that that we find as relevant, that TrendSpider didn't put into the system itself. So when you have most relevant trend lines selected on Show Trends feature, what is happening is basically TrendSpider is finding every possible trend line on the screen. Then it's going to go ahead and filter it down to the most recent price action, and then it's going to put the top 1% scoring trend lines on your screen. That is what's happening when you select most relevant. Now when you select more lines, this is going to give you the most relevant lines plus a few other lines that are a little bit that could be possibly relevant as well based on how many times they violate price. So you can see these other yellow lines here aren't violating price that much, so it's going to show it on your screen. And basically if you wanted to add in these trend lines, you could either double click or right click and hit lock this trend line. And now when we go, and then if we did that, let's say we locked this trend line, we went back to most relevant lines. Now that trend line is going to be locked into your chart. With all or unfiltered, this is the completely unfiltered version of TrendSpider. This is every possible trend line that TrendSpider is finding on your screen. Let's say, and then again, the same concept applies. Let's say we wanted to add one of these trend lines to our screen. We could go ahead and either right click or double click, hit lock this trend line, go back to the most relevant trend lines, and it's going to be on our screen. I hope this video helped you guys. And if you have any more questions, please feel free to reach out to us, and happy trading.